runway JetBlue 26.
Stop. Stop, Southwest 2937, stop.
We stopped, we were cleared to cross runway 4.
And we're stopped, JetBlue 1654.
Southwest 2830, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2830.
JetBlue 1554, do you have room to get around the Southwest or even double back onto runway 4 full length?
Looks like we can make a left on Alpha, JetBlue 1554.
Thank you, sir. JetBlue 1554, left Alpha, back to Zulu, short of runway 4, and advise ready.
Okay, left on Alpha, Zulu, short of runway 4. We'll let you know, JetBlue 1554.
Ground Southwest 2937, where do you want us to go?
Southwest 2937, continue across runway 4 at Charlie.
Okay, clear across runway 4 at Charlie, 2937.
JetBlue 1554, how much longer do you guys need, just for planning purposes? You are fine right there. No one else is coming from behind. Do as you need and call me back. Brickyard 5682, ground point 7, bye-bye.
Ground point 7, bye-bye, Brickyard 5682.
Tower 2937, I guess we need a phone number.
Oh, yes, of course. Let me know when you have the pen ready.
Go ahead.